I'm still kind of thinking to myself, this is crazy. I never thought that my hat making course would turn into this. When I walk into the store every day, it gives me such happiness. My name is Teresa Foglia, and I am a hat maker based out of Industry City, Brooklyn, New York. We've made over 100 custom hats for clients. The costs range from $300 to $1,500. We've been profitable since the first day that we opened, and we make thousands a month. In 2016, I went through a really hard breakup, and I had to get away. So I love Europe, and I've been doing a lot of travel prior to that, so I just booked a one-way ticket. During that time, I ended up with just a week free, and I found this hat making course, and I always loved hats, and I thought it would be fun to go to France for the week and see how they actually make handmade hats, and I fell in love with it. So I came to New York, back home. That's when I realized that this custom hat at this higher price point was going to be a hard sell online, which was really my main channel of distribution at the time. And I decided that I really needed a place where people could come and see me, and we could have an entire experience of creating the product together. Since I am a solo entrepreneur and really run this entire operation by myself, my friends, community, and my team here is a huge part of it. Hat making's so different from my current and previous life of digital marketing, where a lot of things you can just Google or you can call an expert, but you really got to dig and talk to other hat makers to really find out where to get the materials. So it was just a long time of building relationships and just sourcing the best materials that I could. In terms of the hat studio, that definitely takes a lot. It's a lot more of a learning curve. So I'm here about 7 days a week. So you can spend the entire weekend in the store, and maybe you might have a customer or two, but then you're in here on a Monday morning just by yourself, and someone that saw your hat somewhere just comes in and orders 2 custom hats, and you're really excited about it. There's around 19 different steps. It can take us anywhere from a few days to a few weeks to actually make the hat. Some of the things that people love about our hat shop is that we have really interesting and unique blocks which have been collected from the 20s, the 30s, the 80s. I think the best advice that I can give is just make sure that if you're set up in a comfortable position and going into something that you truly love, give yourself a really nice transition period from one thing to the next. Just know that your drive and your passion, your dedication to what you're doing, and a really incredible network of people around you will allow you to do what you want to do. I think even just working on this for the last 1.5 years and seeing where it is, I definitely had a vision for something, and now we're just living it.